The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to The English we speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Rob. So, Feifei, what are you doing tonight?
Tonight? I'm busy. I'm washing my hair tonight.
Oh, right. So you're not going to that new bar for a drink. I overheard someone saying that you and some of the team were going.
Oh, yes, the new bar. We're going for a drink, just one, on the way home. Would you like to join us?
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Actually, haven't you got that big project to finish? The one the boss said was very important.
Oh, that. No. That's not important. I'll leave it for a few days and he'll forget about it.
So you're going to kick it into the long grass?
Kick into the long grass. You mean delay a plan or decision about something because it will only cause problems for me, and that by delaying it, it might get forgotten altogether.
That's exactly what I meant. Let's hear some examples of this phrase in action.
The decision to kick the plans for a new railway line into the long grass means that we'll have to continue to face overcrowding and slow journey times.
He hoped by kicking a decision on her marriage proposal into the long grass she'd soon forget, but she didn't.
I've decided to kick this plan to redecorate the house into the long grass. We've got more urgent things to do, like fixing the hole in the roof.
You're listening to The English We Speak from BBC Learning English. In this programme, we're looking at the expression to kick something into the long grass. It means to delay a plan or decision because it is difficult or problematic. And Rob is delaying the project the boss asked him to do because it's hard work.
Hard work? This project is perfect for someone with my skills, but I need time to think about it. Maybe a few weeks?
But if you kick it into the long grass, you won't be able to find it.
Of course not. Now, what time are we going for that drink?
Rob, could I have a word about that urgent project I asked you to do as soon as possible?
Oh dear, Rob, it looks like you're going to have to kick that drink into the long grass. I think you'd better go and see the boss. Good luck.
OK, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.